Greetings, Team 9889. I'm Dr. Jordan Artis, and I'll be your professor for organizational development. So, I'm going to introduce you to a concept called the Tuesday 2. Just take 2 minutes on Tuesday to introduce you to, orient you to, provide some ideas about a concept. And in this case, it's organizational development. You do not need to burn these words into your brain, but they seem to be pretty helpful for reminding us about processes. And don't worry, I've got some pretty cool methods that'll help you store these in your working brain so that they become just muscle memory. I know I need to do this, then this, then this. So you identify a need, you think about the considerations, you construct a system, you implement the system, you evaluate the system, and you share your results. That's it. That's organizational development. Thank you for coming to the course, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. So we're going to do some dives over the next 7-8 weeks about what these pieces look like in practice and in operation. As you can imagine from the syllabi, there's a paper. There's also some course engagement we're going to have together individually and also collectively as a group through our classes, which are going to be on Zoom. I know that Zooming is so remarkably common right now that it can be exhausting. So we're going to try to be pretty flexible with how we break the days up so that you're not just literally sitting in one position nonstop. So field trips outside, it's going to happen. It'll be great. That being the case, organizational development in the text that you have ended in 1999 because the text ended in 1999. There's been some pretty significant shifts in industrial organizational psychology and some other constructs that have occurred over the past 5 to 10 years. So we'll dive into those in your sister course in winter. But for now, look forward to seeing you on Friday.